we are dealing with area of plane curves, and that is also equation is given in polar form. I already explained what is area under the curve whose equation is given in polar form. What is the formula? Area for polar curves. Polar curves. The area bounded by the sectorial area bounded by two radii vectors alpha and beta, and if the equation is given by r is equal to f of theta, then half r square d theta is the area. Half r square d theta, this is the area. And also I have explained some taking some problems. I have taken cardioids, all the cardioids. What is the area of the cardioid? There are four cardioids. First one is r is a into 1 plus cos theta. What is the area of this? If I remember correctly, 3 pi by 2 a square. And all the four cardioids, area is 3 pi by 2 a square. Is it correct? Let me verify this. 3 pi by 2 a square. That is area of the cardioid. Now, consider some more problems. Two problems. First is find the area of the circle r is equal to 2a cos theta. See, this is a descriptive question. Find the area of the circle r is 2a cos theta means it is a 5 mark question. But now you know that for this year, for your second sem examination type is MCQ, multiple choice question. Same this question, 5 mark question, can be converted to MCQ like this. The area of the circle r is 2a cos theta is, 4 choices will be there. Area of the circle r is 2a cos theta is, 4 choices will be given. 4 choices are like this. Say I give the choice also here. First is 2 pi a square, second pi a square, third one pi a square upon 2, 3 pi by 2 a square. 4 choices will be given. Out of these choices, can you guess what is the answer? Because you have to guess now. You have not solved this problem. You have not solved the problem means you have to guess. Say the correct answer is pi a square. Because this r is equal to 2a cos theta represent a circle whose diameter is 2a. Diameter is 2a means radius is a. And area of the circle depends on the radius. Radius is a, diameter is 2a means radius a, therefore area is pi a square, hence answer is second one. But here I derive that one using this formula for area under the polar curves. I derive this, I obtain the area. Now for that first you have to trace this curve, r is 2a cos theta. I take this is the initial line and this is theta is equal to pi by 2. For Cartesian system they are x and y axis. For polar coordinates, positive x axis is initial line, this is line theta is equal to pi by 2. Now what are the things here? First one, this r is equal to 2a cos theta. It is symmetric about initial line. Already I have explained in curve tracing what is shape of this curve. It is symmetric about initial line. Second thing is find dr by d theta. It is minus 2a sin theta. Therefore, r decreases as theta increases from 0 to pi by 2. R decreases from 2a to 0. Because when theta is 0, what is r? 2a. Theta increases, dr by d theta negative. Therefore, dr by d theta is negative in 0 to pi by 2. Even 0 to pi it is negative. 0 to pi by 2 it is negative. So dr by d theta negative. So r decreases from 2a to 0 as theta increases from 0 to pi by 2. Maximum value of r is 2a. So I take this as 2a. 2a 0 it is. R is 2a, theta is 0. Now this is maximum value. Slowly r decrease just like this, and when theta pi by 2, r becomes 0. Because of symmetry, it is symmetric about initial line. This is the circle. What is this length? 2a. Therefore, what is the radius? A. What is the area? Pi a square. But we obtain this by using the formula. Area of the circle is it is 2 into area above the initial line. Above the initial line. It is 2 for above the initial line. Theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, limits are this is theta 0. This is theta pi by 2. What are the radii vectors bounding the area? That is upper half of the circle. Two radii vectors are, one is theta is 0, second is theta is pi by 2. So limit is 0 to pi by 2, half r square d theta. So it is 0 to pi by 2, 2 cancels, r square 4a square cos square theta with respect to theta. Therefore 4a square, how to integrate cos square theta? We can apply reduction formula here. 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta. What is the formula? 4a square. N is even here. Cos theta raised to n is n minus 1 by n. 1 upon 2 and pi by 2 it is. Because cos theta raised to 2. 2 is even. Formula starts from this. Factor starts from n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2 and so on. If it is even, n is even, it is multiplied by pi by 2. Otherwise, the last factor will be 2 by 3. So, it is pi a square. This is area of the circle. I think all have followed this one. We have applied a formula here. What is the formula? Half r square d theta. That is the formula. Area of the polar curves. Area under the polar curves. Alpha to beta, half r square d theta. Now I consider this. Find the area of a loop of the curve r square is a square cos 2 theta. Loop of this curve. And hence find its total area. This already we have discussed. The curve, it is called lemniscate of Bernoulli, and I have traced this curve also. In curve tracing I have explained what is the shape of the curve here. What is the shape of the curve? It consists of two loops here, and r square is a square cos 2 theta. Therefore it is symmetric about initial line. Initial line, it is symmetric. It is symmetric about theta is equal to pi by 2 also. Why it is symmetric about theta pi by 2? Because if you change theta from theta to pi minus theta, curve will not change. Because cos of 2 pi minus theta, change theta to pi minus theta, you will get cos of 2 pi minus 2 theta. It is cos 2 theta. In fourth quadrant, cos is negative. About symmetry, if you change theta to pi minus theta, equation remains same. Curve is symmetric about theta is pi by 2. It is pi by 2. It is symmetric about theta is pi by 2. Symmetric about initial line, and also it is symmetric about the pole. Symmetric about pole. Why it is symmetric about pole? Because if you change r to minus r, equation remains same. You have studied this curve tracing, under curve tracing. It is symmetric about pole. Therefore it is symmetric about initial line, symmetric about theta is pi by 2, symmetric about pole. And if you solve this, see we get r is equal to plus or minus a square root of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. Now I take cos 2 theta is 0. This implies 2 theta is pi by 2. Cos 2 theta is 0 gives 2 theta is pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. General value we don't take, only two values we take because 4 quadrants, 2 values. What is the first value? This makes 0, 2 theta, and 2 theta is pi by 2, 2 theta is 3 pi by 2. Therefore, theta is pi by 4, theta is 3 pi by 4. See, in this region, pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, this cos 2 theta becomes negative because 2 theta is greater than pi by 4, 2 theta is greater than pi by 2, theta is greater than pi by 4, it becomes negative. Up to 3 pi by 4 it is negative. So in this region, pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, no portion of the curve lies. This is the second one. No portion of the curve lies. No portion of the curve lies. Of the curve lies in pi, greater than pi by 4, less than 3 pi by 4. Now I think these two are sufficient here to trace the curve. I take initial line, that is theta is 0, theta is pi by 2, take theta is pi by 4, this is the line theta is pi by 4, and this is the line theta is 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, and in this region curve doesn't exist. In this region curve doesn't lies. Therefore it doesn't lies here also, because by symmetry doesn't lies here also. Now what is the maximum value of r? Plus or minus a, because when cos 2 theta is maximum, r is maximum. When cos 2 theta is maximum, theta is 0. Theta is 0, you will get 1 it is. So r square is a square, r is plus or minus a. So this is the maximum value. By symmetry, this is the maximum value. It is a, 0 it is. Now when theta increases, r decreases here, because you can verify dr by d theta is negative. In r 0 to pi by 4, dr by d theta is negative. So it decreases like this. And because of symmetry, we have one row. Because of symmetric about pi by 2, we have another row. This is the curve. R square is a square cos 2 theta. See, I explained twice. In curve tracing, I explained. Again, I explained shape of the curve. That means you have to remember this curve. When r square is a square cos 2 theta, what is the curve? Lemniscate of Bernoulli. This is the curve. And one loop is this. This is one loop. Means this is one loop. In this loop, I take area above the initial line and I take twice the area of the area above the initial line gives area of one loop. And what is the area of the complete curve? Total area is 2 into area of this. 2 into area of this. First I consider area of one loop. It is capital A, it is O. Since the curve is symmetric about the initial line, area of one loop is equal to 2 into area of the loop above the initial line. Clear? All have followed this? Area of the one loop is twice the area of the loop above the initial line. It is therefore 2 into, for this region from this point to this point, what is the variation of theta? Theta is, this is one line, theta is 0. Second line is this. What is this line? Theta is pi by 4. So the limits are 0 to pi by 4, 1 by 2 r square d theta. These two cancels. 0 to pi by 4, what is r square? A square cos 2 theta with respect to theta. Is it a square cos 2 theta? Yes. A square cos 2 theta. So a square 0 to pi by 4 cos 2 theta. What is this? This is area above the initial line. Area of one loop, or it is area of half of the loop. Area above the initial line. So a square cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta upon 2, 0 to pi by 4. So it is a square by 2 into sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. So sin pi by 2 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So a square by 2. What is this? This is area of one loop it is. Correct? So I have taken 2. Therefore area of complete one loop is a square by 2. Area of one loop is, it is a square by 2. Therefore total area of the curve, total area is 2 into a square by 2, because there are two loops, it is a square. A square. So what is the area? Complete area is a square. Area of one loop is a square by 2. Important, my dear students, this is important. This question also can be converted into MCQ. How do you convert? Area of one loop of the curve r square is a square cos 2 theta is. One loop of the curve is a square by 2. Total area of the curve is a square. Remember. So how to remember all these things? There is a simple technique to remember all these things. First you have to understand the concept. If you know the proof, if you know how that is derived, area is derived, then you will have some idea and you can remember. There will be a space to remember only when you derive that one. Otherwise, remember this thing, remember that thing means it is very difficult. So what you have to do? First you have to do all these things. You go through this. I will send the notes also, and it is sufficient to go through the videos. You can understand. Then for MCQ we will discuss later. You little bit wait. We discuss the MCQ also. Now some more curves are there. I take that one in the coming periods. But now I go to second application, that is rectification. Rectification means the process of finding area of, or a process of finding length of the arcs of the curves is called rectification. Rectification. This is again an MCQ question. Now everything is MCQ, MCQ, MCQ. How do you convert this into MCQ? The process of finding length of the arc of the curve is called, 4 choices: rectification, quadrature, and it is surface of revolution. None of this. That is the question. Rectification means the process of finding the length of the arcs of the curve is called rectification. Rectification you have to study for all the 3 types of curves. What are the 3 types of curves? First is Cartesian, second parametric, third one polar. Here I give the formula directly. Derivation is left as exercise. First one, for Cartesian curves, the length of the arc of the curve length of the arc of the curve y is equal to fx included between 2 points. Is it visible? Can you see the board here? Because today power is not there because of some technical problem. Wednesday there will be not power, current, electricity is not there, and because of this heavy rain, I think it is difficult. Is it visible? You can see this one. What is this? Length of the arc of the curve y is equal to fx included between 2 points x equal to a, x equal to b is integral a to b square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square with respect to x. This should be committed to memory. Formula. What is the formula? I repeat here because you may not see this one. Very dark here. Length of the arc of the curve y is equal to fx included between the 2 points x equal to a, x equal to b is integral a to b root of 1 plus dy by dx square. Second formula for the curve, parametric curves. Length of the arc of the curves whose equation is given by x is equal to f of t, y is equal to phi of t is between two parameters, points whose parameters are t1, t2. No problem, I explain this one. Then you can write, even though it is not visible, you can write this one. The length of the arc of the curve given by x is equal to f of t, y is equal to pi of t is t1 to t2 square root of dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square with respect to t. Next, the length of the arc of the curve, third one, length of the arc of the curve r is equal to f of theta, third one polar form, r is equal to f of theta included between 2 points. Take this, included between 2 points whose vectorial angles are alpha and beta is alpha to beta square root of r square plus dr by d theta whole square with respect to theta. I repeat, the length of the arc of the curve r is equal to f of theta included between 2 points whose vectorial angles are theta is equal to alpha and theta is equal to beta is integral alpha to beta r square root of r square plus alpha to beta square root of r square plus dr by d theta whole square with respect to theta. I continue in the problem a little bit later because the board is not visible. You cannot